Probably the most important part of your team is building a relationship with a mentor. Somebody that's currently doing what you're doing and that is accomplishing things that you're accomplishing. And for me, I found a mentor. I connected with real estate groups that had all kinds of different people, investors, wholesalers, realtors of all experience levels. And a good friend of mine was a wholesaler and he knew what he was doing, and he helped me and took me under his wing and taught me a ton about the business. I worked for little money, almost no money, honestly, to get started and to learn the business. And I honestly think that taught me more than anything else, is finding somebody that was doing what I was doing, that had what I wanted to have as far as success goes in this business. So mentors understand what you're going through, know how to tackle those obstacles, know how to get around certain things. They're just more creative because they've been there. And you will eventually be somebody's mentor too, once you get more experience and once you get some more deals under your belt. So finding a mentor is very, very important. Whether that means you're working for free for them for a little bit, or you're hanging out and getting drinks with them once a week, talking about challenges and obstacles. And who knows, maybe eventually, as you get further along, you guys might team up and build that perfect team. Be that perfect acquisition person and that perfect sales guy. Be that perfect marriage of people that can bring deals together and sell deals together. So don't be afraid to ask for help. People want to help, but they've got to know you're open for help. So go out there, find people, network, talk, and go get some deals done, and let's go sell a lot of houses.